Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. And right now, who are the next in listing Shibadoge coin? Now remember, Shibadoge actually have 3 exchanges they listed that they will be working, that they are working to see this exchange list Shibadoge coin. And we're talking about L Bank, you're talking about Get.io and Crypto.com. Now that L Bank are finally in after listing Shibadoge recently, who will be the next? Who do you think will be the next? Is it Get.io or is it Crypto.com? But remember, Bitmart have also listed Shibadoge. Now, some exchanges we didn't even expect. Some exchanges we didn't even know that Shibadoge are working towards getting this exchange to list this coin, all surprising us listing Shibadoge coin. We are talking about L Bank, Get.io and Crypto.com. Shibadoge was only listed on Uniswap V2, and then we are talking about Get.io, Lbank, Crypto.com. But today you can see that some exchanges that even Shibadoge didn't list earlier on their website that they are working to get this exchanges to list their coin. We're talking about BigX, IndoEX, Bitmart. Of course, these coins, they are not part of what is on their site, on their roadmap, but finally you can get these exchanges listing Shibadoge. So who do you think is the next to list Shibadoge? Is it Get.io or is it Crypto.com? Or who do you want to first of all list Shibadoge? You can see Shibadoge already started gaining a lot of massive support. Okay, right now, since L Bank listed this coin, Shibadoge have gained almost $4.5 to $5 million market cap within the past 2.5 days. 2.5 days, $5.5 million market cap, 4.5 or $5.5 million. So that simply means the news about L Bank alone have started motivating some people to start buying this coin, even though that L Bank have yet to immediately start people start buying Shibadoge under them. But I think the news alone, the fundamental news, have actually motivated so many holders to start buying. Now imagine when Crypto.com or imagine when Get.io comes in to list, imagine what will be happening, or imagine when L Bank will finally finalize everything whereby you can buy Shibadoge coin on their website or on their apps. So I believe what this coin need right now is support. Of course, we need support, and getting that support will definitely help this coin to increase. Getting that support will definitely push Shibadoge coin to the moon. Wow, I believe this coin is one of the best crypto coin of 2023. I mean, one of the best small cap coin of 2023. I'm hoping to see many whales coming in. I'm hoping to see many exchanges listing in. I'm hoping to see many holders coming in. I'm hoping to see Shibadoge gaining more market cap and more price rise. It's going to help this coin to massively increase in price. Now let's keep hoping this year 2023 is going to be a year of bullish, a year of green candle, a year of rise for crypto industry. And I'm happy that even BTC, the king of crypto coins, is also on the rise. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.